This 2008 Jayco Seneca Diesel HD 34SS double slide, east-west queen bed is a Super C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 7, air conditioning, self-contained, external shower, skylight, leveling jacks, slide-out, TV, and 81 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2008 Jayco Seneca Diesel HD 34SS double slide, east-west queen bed is built on a Kodiak C5500 chassis and is powered by a Duramax engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.